Hello, I'm David Disrespectoid, the critic of critics, and... I may be a critic, but I can get through this. I'm okay. Okay, baby! Oh my goodness! I don't know what to say about this episode. I'm sorry, guys, but I tried to keep a straight face, but that episode is just too... It's just too hilarious. That episode was just too hilarious. Demolition Dollhouse? Oh my god. You guys... Oh, no. What was the first awesome episode that I've seen? First, it was the wedding shower of doom. Then, I don't know what else to say. I don't think no other episode can compete with this. I don't think any other episode of Game Seekers can compete with this. Oh my god. You might want to save your money on a whole lot of dollhouses for this one. It's worth a whole lot more. Oh my god. I have seen crazy episodes on this. I have seen crazy episodes of Game Shakers, but that what I just witnessed was even crazier. What? Okay. How can I say this? How can I say this right now? Babe singing at the subway, and I did not know that she could sing. That girl has got some pipes. And when the dollhouse exploded, oh my god. Speaking of the dollhouse, it was mind-blowing. Mind-blowing. Oh my god. It was awesome. Okay. Good side, the explosion was over the top. Bad side, Jeremy might need some medical attention. But anyways, you know what? I'm just gonna cut to the chase. Final verdict on Demolition Dollhouse. I give it a good. No. Scratch that. I give it a very good. Total of not 1, not 2, but 5 stars. Oh my god. Okay, I better get out of here. I'm David Disrespectoid, the critic of critics, Game Seekers. Okay, I need a